Hello everybody and welcome to Unboxing Doozy. This is Dario speaking, and today I'll be unboxing this HUAWEI P Smart 2019. The P Smart is at the bottom of the list of the P series from Huawei. It came out about a year ago and should soon be replaced by the P Smart 2020. So I'm just in time to unbox this one. Let's cut the security tape and see what's inside the box. Okay, so straight away the phone is on top. Let's remove it. I see peeking through the hole the SIM card ejector tool. I guess herein are all the manuals. Let's have a look. Okay, so that's the warranty card and of course the quick start guide and the SIM card ejector tool. There is the wall adapter. Well, there's nothing to say about that. The micro USB cable, also not really interesting, but let me at least try it and get this little plastic thing of it. If I succeed. Oh, it just slides off. Okay, so yeah, that's the cable. Moving on to the headphones, but first let's check if I'm not missing anything in this corner. No, it's empty. Just need to unwrap them. Okay, so these are one of the cheapest ones that you can get. Here is the main event. Let's get it out of the plastic or silicone bag and have a better look. Okay, so straight away the phone feels really nice in the hand, and wow, look at that. That is a beauty. Absolutely stunning back. Let's remove the protector, have a better look at it. Wow, I am impressed. Love the gradient color change. In the front I can see they already pre-fitted with a screen protector. That's very nice touch from Huawei. I see you have the power button and the volume buttons on that side. This is nice and clean. On the bottom you got a downwards facing speaker, a micro USB port and a headphone jack. On the top you got the SIM card tray. Just have one better look at the beautiful bag, but I can say straight away that's going to be easy to scratch, so a case for it wouldn't be a bad idea. Let's have a quick look at the interface, as this is a unboxing video and not a review video. So Huawei has a 6.2 inches Full HD display. Also a number of cool features like a dual camera, face unlocking, fingerprint scanning and an AI that helps you identify what you're shooting. Usually these options are only available at more expensive models. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. And thank you for watching.